Zontes 150X rear shock absorber adjustment video tutorial. Rear shock preload has 5 levels of adjustment. The default setting is the 3rd level. The left rear shock can be adjusted by hand, turning adjusting clockwise makes the shock harder, adjusting counterclockwise makes the shock softer. Note that only one level can be adjusted at a time. Skipping levels may cause damage. The right rear shock needs to be adjusted when the muffler is cool. One hand should pull the spring upward while the other hand adjusts. When adjusting the shock absorber, make sure the arc of each level is locked at the limiter. It must not be locked on the inclined surface or sharp corner. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.